Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel Air Diary. Let's start this day together. First in the morning, what I do from last 3 weeks is quick shopping. For shopping, I just need mostly ingredients for my breakfast. I do shopping every day because this make me extra few steps what I need for my score until end of the day, because I do 10,000 steps per day and that's quite a lot. Shopping in Tesco because it's easy and fast, and I like Tesco, and probably you know that because I'm in Tesco all the time. Today I just need good few things because that will be breakfast and dinner, and I don't want to come back to Tesco today. Why just quick shopping, and very slowly I will back home. It's very breezy today. I think it's around 4 degrees. It's blue sky. I think I prefer when it's cold and bright. Then it's like 10-12 degrees and it's rain and very cloudy. But definitely this breezy, chilly weather wake me up really well. And finally I'm at home, and guys, oh, you can see my beautiful chandelier. I love to make photos, it's so beautiful. Okay, I start my breakfast. My breakfast is very easy, just 5 grams of butter and spinach, how much I like. I think it's like around 100 grams. And some boiling water with some vinegar and eggs. I do poached eggs. Poached eggs my favorite because it's easy, it's fast, and they are delicious. And my spinach and eggs I will put on a baguette, 80 grams. Some salt and pepper, and that's my lovely super tasty breakfast. I don't know about you, but breakfast with eggs just keep me full for more than half day, and I don't think about food anymore. It's very important, and it's part of my diet what I have right now. But definitely the poached eggs on the toast with some spinach, it's my favorite ever. Because it's bright and sunny, I decided to go to Powerscourt waterfall to just practice flying my drone. I didn't have much time, and the weather was creepy as well. And today when it's so nice and bright, I just decided to fly even 1 hour just to practice and do some nice photos and videos and post on my Instagram. Of course, you are more than welcome on my Instagram and my Tik Tok and my Facebook, where you can find lots of photos and videos from today as well. First I do a quick walk just to add some extra steps for my daily score, and I start flying by drone close to the waterfall. It's no windy at all. I think will be a really nice flight. Today I will do some footage with waterfall and with the park. I love the shoots from the trees, and I love this beautiful river what I have beside me. Hopefully will be something really amazing from the sky. How you can see on the right hand side, I put some footage from the drone from my Instagram. How you can see the colors are amazing and everything looks like from the fairy tale. And actually that's how the Powerscourt waterfall looks like. I'm not sure if I told you before anything about the Powerscourt waterfall. You know, I'm there quite often because it's close to my house and I really like it. But the Powerscourt waterfall is the highest waterfall in Ireland and have 121 meters. It's like 397 feet. And it's absolutely stunning. It's like 6 kilometers from the Enniskerry village and place. It's part of the Powerscourt estate. I always recommend to everyone just drive from Powerscourt Estate to the waterfall, because by foot it's quite far from the entrance gate to the waterfall. It's like 25 minutes for sure, and from estate will be maybe more than an hour. Why? It's beautiful car park space, it's all the coffee, teas, toilets, everything there. I highly recommend to visit this magical place. And now you have a possibility to actually see the shots from 121 meters. I will let you to enjoy the beautiful footage from the drone. How you can see, everything looks spectacular. Even the trees without leaves looks absolutely amazing, and the color of the grass, everything is stunning. And very shortly, because it's very cold and I don't feel my hand anymore, I will show you one more extra special place. It's very close to my house, but just keep watching and see you shortly in another part of my daily vlog. Oh, it's freezing cold, and after a cold walk, we just deserve for something sweet and nice and tasty. I'm in a bubble tea to get some hot bubble tea. Nan's Tea is a new place in the main street in Bray. I highly recommend. Amazing waffles, absolutely amazing. I think the best what I eat in my whole life. And I have some bubble tea, and I back to the car, enjoy the hot, nice bubble tea with blueberry pearls, absolutely stunning. And now we're going to Swan Sanctuary. In Bray Harbor, we have a swan sanctuary with lots of swans. They have bracelets, and they have a really good care. Place is absolutely stunning, and the swans don't afraid people at all. Actually, this place is very busy all the time, and people just coming and feeding them. Just, I'm not sure the bread is a good idea. I know lots of people, I think all the people have a bread, just we have some seeds and some flakes. But the place is stunning, and it's nice if we can support the swans who stay with us over the winter. I just do some nice walk around the harbor because it's cold, but it's very fresh. And slowly I will back home to do some dinner and enjoy the rest of the day. Guys, thank you very much for watching me. Remember to subscribe, like, leave the comment. Please check my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, my TikTok. Find me there, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for today, and see you shortly in another vlog.